Hi and welcome back. In this video we're going to be getting our SSL certificate. As you can see, I've opened Cloudflare and I've gone to my website using Google Chrome as opposed to Safari in this case. I encourage you to use Chrome in this video because at time of recording it was the only browser that could generate a signing key for generating our SSL certificate. So you can use a browser of choice, but it might fail, and in that case you should use Chrome only to create the certificate. Your site will be accessible from any browser. We're going here to the Crypto tab in Cloudflare, and then we're going to press in the SSL settings full or full strict. Full strict checks the connection between Cloudflare and your server a bit more thoroughly, make sure the certificate is valid, but since we're generating it here, it's going to be valid. You can choose full strict. And then we're going to go down to origin certificates. And as you can see, there are no certificates right now. And I'm going to press create certificate. And it says here, the first step in generating a certificate is to create a private key and a certificate signing request. Chrome can do this, so you can let Cloudflare generate the key and CSR. If you're using a different browser, you may not be able to do it. And the host names, you should leave them as default, but if they're not there, just make sure to have *.yourdomain and your domain as two separate entities there. That way you'll cover all your bases. For the certificate validity, you can choose however long you want, but I tend to leave it as 15 years, and that'll be fine. And there you have it. You've got here the key formats. I'm going to leave it as PEM, that's the easiest to work with. And you've got your certificate here, your origin certificate, and your private key. And it also even gives you some instructions for installation if you choose Nginx. However, you don't need to go there because I'm going to be teaching you exactly how to set this up. So once you've got these two things here, don't close this window, or at least copy these and put them somewhere safe. You're going to be deleting them momentarily. They're only going to be in your server and that's it. But we're going to need them, obviously, to put in the server and allow Nginx to use these to serve the HTTPS requests. So make sure to keep this tab open and let's go into the next video. We're going to be setting Nginx up with these. I'll see you there.